Hey guys, this is me, Jet Fox. We're back to the video, and hope you guys enjoyed that little video of the lodge wrap up. And tonight, I gotta say, guys, it looks really good, and don't mind that airplane noise up. That's up above. So anyway, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed that little video of the lodge. Guys, it's all done. I just gotta do some small things, and then I'm all good on my end. So, and then the inside is all done. So now it's just we gotta do the outside. So this sorry guys, there's some outside right now. That's a few minutes after 11. Might sound dumb that I'm out here right now, just doing stuff at 11 o'clock at night. But there's a couple of things. Reason why, because one, I'm kind of bored, and also I just want to do some play some stuff that's not making noise. So let me turn the camera on. I'll show you guys what I just did. So guys, I have these motion lights here. Not motion lights, solar lights. So I just switched the batteries out, and these two solar lights here now, they're shining some good light out here now. That one there was just it just kept flashing. I don't know why. So that issue is solved, and now it's so now they're working nice now. Now they're shining some. Oh, there's some ice. And now they're shining some good light out here now, which is good. I just love light, So now I got those fixed. And now I got some good light shine out here now, so that's good. So you guys, that's what I've been doing. Looks pretty good. So so guys, I'm gonna go back inside the house now. I'm gonna lay back in bed, and I'll get up in the morning, and I'll head down to the shop and do some shop maintenance, because there's some stuff that needs to be done down there, and somebody will bring you guys along for that. So guys, I'll see you guys in the morning, bright and early, in the shop. Well, good morning, guys. So it's the next day right now, and it is a beautiful Monday morning. It's cold, but it's still nice out. The sun's out, so right now I'm gonna go down to the shop, do some shop maintenance. But first, I'm gonna put the guards out, because they usually come out every Monday around maybe around 11 a.m. So I just want to have it out and be ready. So I was just in here last night. I guess we'll get this thing to fire it up to get out of the way. Let it warm up a little bit. So So anyway, guys, yeah, I got so much stuff around here. It won't be long. We'll be digging this fan out soon, another month or two, because we need it up at the lodge, because eventually we're gonna cut some more, trees down, because we're making the new road going up to the cabin. So and I'm sure we're gonna need this. So we need this and a chipper, and yeah. All right, let's pull this fan out of here. Alright, so dig a couple more the things of garbage out here, because this fan is just full up to the top and it can't fit any more in there. Now we just drag this just out front of the driveway, and then that's it. And that's all they come today, because they never showed up last week because of the ice, which I don't know why. Like you have to go to work. You can't just make an excuse up of just not showing up. Like, oh, because of ice, Like this is what we signed up for. Like, so you have to come and get the garbage. You just can't make stuff up like that, But, alright guys, so I'm gonna go down the shop, I'm gonna get set up, and I'll see you guys down there. Alright guys, so I'm down here in the shop, and right now, I'm gonna load up some garbage in the bucket. I'm gonna haul it up at the dumpster. So, yeah. Shut the machine off just so no diesel makes a massive smell in here, So I'm not gonna smell it already. And good thing I turned it off. Alright, I'm gonna load this garbage up. How much garbage do we make? I know where we got that line from. Yeah, I guess we'll make a lot of garbage. And that one's still good. But all these here can go too. Yeah, that one's still good as well. So somehow I just gotta make some room on the bucket here for these 2 bags, which I think there's no problem there. Oh, now we're good. Put some empty bags of salt here. I might as well get rid of them. I just gotta find some room. All right, crack open the door and head up. Bye guys, so I'll see you guys up at the dumpster. Alright guys, so now I'm in the truck now because I got some garbage in the back that needs to be taken out from the lodge. So I'm gonna get put some of the garbage out and go from there. I get this fan at 4 high because this fan doesn't do well in the winter time, and that's because of the tires. The like the tires on this fan sucks in the snow. So next winter we're gonna get some new tires for this fan. There's some winter tires. So see what we got here. Also guys, sorry the GoPro is a little flimsy because because it's not really strapped on my head real good, so get all this stuff here from the lodge. Yeah, guys, sorry if the GoPro is a little. God, it's all over the place. So I don't know what view you guys got, but I do apologize if it's bad. Look at that, guys. It's an old that's an old it's a controller. I can't say a name because of my speech. I can't really say the word. But like, I do know what it is, though. I do know what it is. But I just can't say it. Oh my god, look at that, guys. That's an old VHS thing or whatever. Huh. That is pretty cool. Some old candles. Oh shit. No, I did not want to throw that out. I did not want to throw that out. Alright, I got this. This camera's all over the place. Alright guys, so now I know why the GoPro is moving all around like crazy. It's because the strap came, I don't know why, but just came off like this. So now I know why the GoPro is just moving all around like this, you know. So I gotta fix that now. I've had that problem before, but that's just the usual thing, I guess. I'm sorry. I'm sorry the footage on the GoPro is not that great. It's because of this. So, all right, guys. So I'm gonna try to fix this, and we'll continue. Okay, so I fixed the strap, so now we should be good. So now, guys, what I'm gonna do right now is I'm going to clean the inside of the excavator because it's bad in here. You see, it's all dirty. So what I'm gonna do right now is I'm gonna take some wet rags and I'm just gonna wipe the whole inside of this thing. So yeah, so guys, I'm going to get some clean supplies and I'm gonna clean the inside this thing. So alright guys, maybe I'll do a time lapse on this just so it goes a lot more quicker for you guys, but not for me though. So alright guys, here we go. well, paint no detailer, but it's good enough, I guess. So I got all the windows all cleaned, the inside and out, and up there as well. Looks much better now, and I even did what I could on all this stuff here. And yeah, I mean, it definitely looks a lot more better than it was, I guess. So that's right, guys. This looks pretty good now. So so now I'm just trying to figure out what to do next. I might hop in this truck right here, and I'm gonna take it to the gas station because it is almost out of gas. Well, not quite, but it's getting down there. There's somebody else jump in this and to go to the gas station and the cap it off for fuel. So so guys, it looks pretty good. So guys, so another thing I just got done with. So I took this, took it to car wash, and it looks very good. And I do see some dirt spots on the mirror there, but I guess that's what happens when you live on a dirt road, I guess. But other than that, it looks pretty good. So I clean all the windows. So looks pretty good. So this is all ready to go for the week. And I got some batteries. We're going on the chargers right now. So so once they're done, I'll take them out and put them back in the truck, and I'll do the same thing with this one here, and then we'll be all set for the week. So this way, guys. And also I got the mini excavator, pull nice and clean on the inside as much as I could anyway. And then I even did all the windows on the outside, then inside, so it looks pretty good. Much better than it was. It was a mess before, but sorry guys, I think I'm done down here for now. I'm gonna go back up the house, and then my mom wants me to FaceTime her, so I'm gonna go back up to call her real quick and see what she wants, and then I guess that's it for today. So, bye guys. I will see you in a little bit. Hi guys. So that's gonna do with this one. So, thanks for watching, guys. If you enjoy it, give it a like. And yeah, guys. And once again, I'm sorry about what happened with the GoPro, and just seeing it, move all around on me and stuff, and then I don't know. But like, it's all fixed now, so next time I use it, hopefully it'll be good now. So so guys, it's a guy from all done in the shop that needs to be done. I got the excavator all cleaned up, and I got the whole truck all cleaned up, so that looks this all looks pretty good now. And yeah guys, so now I'm just gonna paint out the rest of the day, just do nothing, and just enjoy it. So that's it, guys. Thanks for watching, and like always, like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching, guys.
Jake the Fox, Jake the Fox, Jake the Fox, Jake. Boom, 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 boom. Jake the Fox, Jake the Fox, Jake the Fox, Jake.